Hello, my name's Krista. I just finished my 8th grind at the Grind Shop, and I just wanted to let everybody know how great the program is. Compared to the last program I was doing, it was a great program. It was 5:30 in the morning with 30 to 40 other people, and for some reason I still felt like I was working out all by myself. Started coming to the Grind Shop, and within the first class, very first time I ever tried it, I felt like I was surrounded by family and people that were really motivating me towards my own personal goals. Some of those goals are to lose some weight, obviously. I want to strengthen my core, get my endurance up, and my 30th birthday is coming up in June, so my first milestone there is just to get better nutrition, obviously the core and endurance, and then muscle tone, and obviously just better health in general. And one of my goals for my birthday is to get to the point where I can run a 5K without stopping. So I have all the faith in the world that being a part of the Grind Shop family is going to get me there.